I've been zoning. I've been zoning.
Sage Group offers you a few recommendations in order to install your router's thermostat in the right way. First, you must connect the neutral wires for your own safety. In this case, we will use the blue wires for that. After that, in electrical port number 1, we will connect the wire that goes directly to the plug and to the electrical resistance. As a second step, we need to connect in the electrical port number 3 and 4 the temperature sensor, which comes included in your thermostat kit. Actually, you can connect it as you wish. It does not affect functionality. Just make sure that they are connected to the electrical port number 3 and 4. As a final step, we will connect the electrical phase, which is the red wire, in port number 2, where we are going to have to make an electric bridge to port number 5. In port number 6, we will connect a red wire that goes directly to the other electrical resistance exit. Remember that for safety purposes, you need to connect the red wire to the plug. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember that you can order any of these products through our social media. We make national orders and soon international orders as well.